This is a rectangular pot. First we need to close all the holes of the pot with a waste piece of cloth so that the water doesn't drain away. I have cocoa peat with me, so I am transferring the cocoa peat into the pot. Now the pot is ready for the plantation. I am going to plant the ginger one side and sprinkle little water, and then on the other side I have pudina or mint, so I'm going to plant them carefully, giving gap in between. This will take around 1 month nearly to get new leaves and that, to grow new leaves. And the ginger will take at least 1.5 months to grow. We can use this mint leaves for biryani, chutneys and salads also. See that you are leaving gap from one stem to the other. And plant them. Every day water them. Just sprinkle water. That is fine. Now I have planted the pudina or the mint and I am spraying the water, and the pot is ready with ginger and mint. Now you can see the ginger leaves coming out, they have grown, and in the sides I have planted turmeric roots also, so they'll be growing. Now the pudina has grown a little. You can see the leaves well. They are slowly growing. Hope this video is useful. Please subscribe and share my YouTube channel. Thank you.